Let's draw something in KimeMaster on Certiphone D1.
Good idea, Mario. Oh, it's on low battery. Well, don't care about it.
Hey, what's up guys, ORM here. Anyways, I changed my font to the McDonald's font.
Hey guys, I'm IGIUL, and my font is McDonald's Helvet font. Ooh, whatever is IGIUL.
Let's put the ratio screen to 2:35, 1.
Okay, Mario.
Let's put the screen to green screen.
Okay, Oiram.
Da
10% don't care.
Let's put a basketball.
Okay, my of clone. That animation is okay.
Yes, because it is throwing to pass to the other. Nope. We don't need text. Only draw animation. Good. It's a stickman.
And then the other stickman. Let's put on stage.
What?
And
Power off. I'm
Get out,
turning
vibration.
it on. New. WHAT.
WHATLOL. LOL. LOL.
Stop it, Luigi.
Let's get the charger. It worked. Oh. Let's do 2.35:1 again.
Four days later.
I'm little tired.
Same.
WHAT.
Darn it. We lost Certiphone D1 because we used IT 4 days.
I know, right. We need to buy a new Certiphone D1.